Hello, in this video tutorial I'm gonna demonstrate you how we can enter and how we can define a garage entrance. Please note that some of the functions we're using in this video tutorial are only available in the product versions Cadvilla Professional and Cadvilla Professional Plus. In the first step we open now our model home. And now we deselect the grid and the line width for a better overview. We will create the garage entrance on the layer first basement, which we are using currently in the 3D and in the 2D view. Here in this area we will create the garage entrance. But before we enter the garage entrance, we enter a door in this area. Therefore, we select Building, Door, Door and Free Positioning. Before we enter the door, we define the door properties, therefore we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. At the point Selection, we select a door type, therefore we open, for example, the folder Interior Doors and we select, for example, the door type Door white with a double left mouse click. When we click now at the 3D symbol, we can take a look at the door in the 3D preview window. We click again on the 3D symbol to close the 3D preview window. The width, the height and the sill height are correctly defined and we can confirm with OK. Now we can position the door. Therefore, we press Ctrl and W at the same time to change the reference point. This is the correct reference point. And now we press the right mouse button, constructional support, and for example, point with distance from. From this point into this direction in a distance of 0.10 meters. After it we press OK. The door is now positioned and we can press Escape. In the next step we will create a garage door in this area. Therefore we select again Door, Door and Free Positioning. First we define again the properties of the door, therefore we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. At the point Selection we select again a door type, therefore we open, for example, the folder Garage and Industrial Doors and we select, for example, this door with a double left mouse click. Now we define the dimensions of the door. For the width we enter 3.30 meters. For the height we enter, for example, 2.70 meters. The sill height is correct too, and now we take a quick look at the 3D preview window. That's how our garage door looks. We close the preview window again and we confirm with OK. Now we will position the garage door. Therefore we press Ctrl and W to change the reference point. This is the correct reference point. And now we will use again the function point with distance from to position the garage door. Therefore, we could press the right mouse button, select constructional support and point with distance from, or we press the shortcut A for the function point with distance from. From this point into this direction in a distance of 0.10 meters. After it, we can press OK. We press Escape. The assigned 2D symbol of the garage door has a width of 3.50 meters. Therefore, the symbol of the garage door stands above the walls. To display the garage door correct, we change the display type of the garage door. Therefore, we select the garage door, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. Here at the point Top View, we select for the point display type, for example, wireframe. After it, we press OK. We press Escape. And when we select now the 3D view, and we deselect the layer environment, we can take a first look at the garage door and the door we have created. We select again the layer environment and we select the 2D view. In the next step, we will create 2 walls for the garage entrance. Therefore, we will use the help of guidelines. We zoom a little bit out of the view and we move the project a little bit upwards. Now we will enter 3 guidelines to define the dimensions of the walls. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, and Numeric Parallel Guideline. Or we close these windows and we press the shortcut P for the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. Before we enter a guideline, we define the color of the guideline. Therefore, we press the right mouse button, we select Properties, we click on Appearance, we select the color, for example a green color, and we press OK, OK, and OK. Now we enter the first guideline. From this line in a distance of 0 meters and we press OK. We enter the second guideline from this line also in a distance of 0 meters. Instead of pressing OK, we can also press Enter. And the last guideline is from this line into this direction, for example in a distance of 7 meters. We press again Enter. After it, we can press Escape. Now we will enter the 2 walls. One wall at the left side of the garage entrance and one wall at the right side. Therefore, we select the point Building, Walls, External wall, and for example, between 2 points. Before we enter the walls, we define the wall properties. Therefore, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. Here we change the wall thickness, for example, to 0.15 meters, and now we will change the wall color. We click on Layer Construction, Standard Masonry, 2D Display. For the fill style we select, for example, monochrome, and for the color we select, for example, a gray color. We press OK, OK, and OK. Now we enter the first wall. This is the first point of the wall. Now we press the shortcut Ctrl and W to change the reference point of the wall. This is the correct reference point, and now we select the second point. Now we enter the second wall. The start point is here. Now we change again the reference point. This is the correct reference point, and this is the second point. After it we can press Escape. In the next step we will create a stair in this area. Therefore we will use again the help of guidelines. We press the shortcut P for the function Numeric Parallel Guideline, and we enter the guideline from this line into this direction with a distance of 1 meter. After it we press Enter. We press Escape, and now we will enter the stair. Therefore we select the point Stair Construction and, for example, Straight Stair. We enter the first point of the stair, for example here. Now we press the shortcut Ctrl and W to change the reference point. This is the correct reference point, and now we select the second point. The stair dialog opens automatically, and we click on the 3D symbol to open the 3D preview window. We maximize the window and we can take a first look at the stair. Now we will deselect the left and the right handrail. Therefore we click on handrail left, we deselect the point Create Handrail, we click on handrail right, and we deselect also here the point Create Handrail. After it we can press OK. The stair is now created and we can press Escape. In the next step we will cut out the terrain at the garage entrance. Therefore we need a section view. We select View and we click on New Section View. Now we enter the view from this point to this point and to this point. The section view opens automatically and we maximize the view a little bit. Now we zoom into the view, and in the next step we will enter an extrude solid to cut out the terrain. Therefore we will use again the help of guidelines, so we press the shortcut P for the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. We enter the guideline from this line into this direction with a distance of, for example, 0.5 meters. After it we press Enter. We press Escape, And before we enter now the extrude solid, we switch to the layer environment, because we will create the extrude solid on the layer environment. Therefore, we press Ctrl and we select the layer environment with a left mouse click. The correct layer is selected, and now we will measure the width of the garage entrance. Therefore, we move the section view a little bit to the right and we select the 2D view. Now we press the shortcut D for the function distance, and we measure the distance from this point. We press Ctrl for a 100% horizontal line to this point. The distance is 5.2899 meters, and we can press Escape. We move the section view back, and now we enter the extrude solid. Therefore, we select Construction, Extrude Solid, and Insert with Polygon. Now we select a surface for plane definition. In our example, it's the surface of the section view. And now we will define the extrude solid. Therefore, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. We click on Extrude Solid, and here at the point Height, we enter 5.20 meters, which is a little bit less than the width of the garage entrance we have measured. After it, we press OK. Now we are ready to enter the extrude solid. We zoom a little bit into the view, and now we insert the first point. This is the first point, that's the second. This is the third point. The fourth point. The fifth point. And the sixth and last point. After it, we press the right mouse button and we select Complete. The extrude solid is now created, and we can minimize the section view. In the next step, we will convert the extrude solid to a subtraction solid. Therefore, we select the 3D view. We zoom a little bit out of the view. Now we select the layer environment. We select the extrude solid. We make a right mouse click and select Convert to Subtraction Solid. We press Escape, and now we will change the visibility properties to hide the subtraction solid. Therefore, we press the right mouse button and we select Visibility. Here at the point 3D Objects, we deselect the point 3D Subtraction Solids. After it, we press OK. Now we can take a first look at the garage entrance in the 3D view. By the way, if you have entered the extrude solid on a wrong layer, for example on another layer than the environment layer, I'm gonna demonstrate you now how you can change the settings of the subtraction solid. We select the 2D view. Now we press and hold Ctrl and we select the section view. In the section view, we select the subtraction solid, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. At first, we open the point Select Object, and here we select the point on selected layers and we select the layer Environment. After it, we close the window and we open Select Type. Here we click in the first step on None and we select the terrain. After it, we close also this window and we press OK. In our example, the extrude solid was from the beginning on positioned on the correct layer, the environment layer, so we can close this window. We press Escape. And finally, we can close the section view. Now we select the 3D view and we activate the layer ground floor and the layer first upper floor. Now we press the shortcut position 1 or home for the function show all. Finally, we will change the wall height of the right and the left wall at the garage entrance. Therefore, we select the 2D view, we select the first wall, we press the right mouse button and select Properties. Here at the point Height, we enter, for example, 3.80 meters, and after it we press OK. We press Escape. Now we select also the right wall, right mouse button, Properties. At the point Height, we enter here also 3.80 meters, and we press again OK. After it we press Escape. And in the last step I will show you how we can texturize the driveway. We select the 3D view and we click on Catalog. We select the point Textures, Exterior, and for example, Pavement. Here we select, for example, the first texture with a left mouse click. Now we press and hold the left mouse button and we drag the texture to our driveway. Now also the driveway is correct texturized, and finally we can take a look at our garage entrance. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.